Hello, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast, tough, and accurate? And this video is for you. Alright, I usually go over with homework from last video. Okay, and this is 这是第11句话. Okay, this is 10 and this is 1. So 11, okay? 11句话 sentence we called 话. Alright, and this is our 成语 from last video. 不挨摆 is 100. 可安看 is look. 不 is no. 一安燕 is bored. On the surface you see something like 100 times, you don't feel bored. Okay, it's almost like that. So never get bored is this 成语 the meaning. Okay, let's go over with our sentence. 一无于是于是 is so. 魔各为鬼 魔鬼 is devil. 乐一离乐 Okay, actually this word should goes with this word. They are like best friend. 离开耶苏耶稣 is Jesus. 有 is have. 特意安天天使 is angel. 乐哀来 is come or came. 次和欧后次后 means serve. 特阿他 is him. 于是魔鬼离了耶稣，有天使来伺候他。Let's study our new lessons, alright? 这是第12句话，12 OK, 12句话，12句话 sentence we call 的话 OK, 七安千吃安长歌沃阿挂的乌 do. Okay, I'll give you 2 clues for this 成语 do. Okay, let's see this one first. Do is your stomach. 牵 is you hold a leash. For example, dog leash or cow leash, whatever, something like that. Okay, 牵 do is stomach. Okay, I'm going to show you how to write this 成语. Okay, 牵肠挂肚，牵肠挂肚。Okay, let's start our sentence. Okay, 耶稣 we learned from the homework. 特音听基安见听见 means past tense. Okay, 长自窝坐乐凹劳坐牢乐 this 乐 is a past tense for this word. Okay, 基优就和为回的凹到回到 Galilee. Alright, I'm going to show you how to write this Chinese word. Okay, 耶稣耶稣听见长坐牢坐牢了就回到Galilee. Homework is 家庭作业 okay? Download a translator. Translate each single word, but if I'm on the line, you check them together so you will learn faster. Okay? Write 2 times, but read 30 times. if you wanted to speak this language, okay, you gotta do this. Watch an hour Chinese TV series every day. Okay, I have one here. It's called 还珠格格. Ge means princess, and it's very entertainment movie. It's a long one, okay? It has 3 parts. You watch the first part, it's a long one, okay? You can watch the second and then the third. And in this video, they have a lot of Chinese. It's very beautiful, okay? Beautiful language. I hope you guys have fun with your homework, and I will see you next Friday.